वेलकम टू रोहिला स्टेनो क्लासेस। आपका डिक्टेशन शुरू होगा 3 सेकंड बाद। स्टार्ट। देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स। स्टॉप। कार्ड्स कोमा लूडो कोमा चेस एंड कैरम आर इंडोर गेम्स। स्टॉप। फुटबॉल कोमा वॉलीबॉल कोमा टेनिस एंड क्रिकेट आर आउटडोर गेम्स। स्टॉप। Running and jumping are popular sports. Stop. Games and sports are very useful for students. Stop. They give a kind of exercise to the body. Stop. A man becomes active through games and sports. Stop. Then he does his work with care and interest. Stop. Students generally live and work in a some room. Stop. They do mental labor. Stop. Physical activities are very necessary for the proper growth of the body. Stop. In short, games and sports make us active and healthy. Stop. In this age of machine, everybody is busy. Stop. Students and office goers work hard during the daytime. Stop. They get tired and feel dullness. Stop. Games and sports give them relief and pleasures after work. Stop. A visit to a film requires money. Stop. But games and sports are cheap and healthy means of pleasures. Stop. They make us physically strong and mentally well balanced. Stop. Games and sports make us disciplined. Stop. Players have to follow certain rules in all games and sports. Stop. The referee's decision is final on the playground. Stop. Whether we like or not, we have to follow the rules of the game. Stop. Games and sports have healthy effects on ever growing indiscipline among students today. Stop. A game should be played in the spirit of the game. Stop. The nobility of game should not be lost. Stop. Victory is not all that matters. Stop. The main thing is the participation in an event. Stop. Thus, an event should not become a cutthroat competition. Losing a game gives an opportunity to know real partnership, grace, dignity, generosity, and nobility. Stop. There is another advantage of games and sports. Stop. They develop in us a sense of cooperation and fellow feeling. Stop. In a game, the whole team plays like a single man. Stop. The success of players is the success of the whole team. Stop. They forget their personal gain. Stop. So, games and sports make the players good citizens. Stop. The human race anywhere in the world has no respect and no regard for these ferocious animals in the shape of human beings. Stop. The control of the mighty kings and dictators evaporates as soon as they are in their grave with the development of culture and civilization, it is the scholar, writer, the poet who rules over the heart and mind of the common man. Stop. It is easy to have control through armed forces. Stop. But it is temporary aspect. Stop. In the long life of a nation or the world, it is just a minor storm that rises and disappears. Stop. It is the scientist, the playwright, the philosopher who has a sway and shines in the sky forever guiding the fate of the common man. Stop. Pen is omnipotent, whereas sword kisses and dust from where it sprang, because the pen stands for power to write. Stop. The sword stands for power to kill. Stop. The pen represents mind of man. Stop. It is powerful weapon in the hand of an intelligent person. Stop. The sword stands for the animal force in man. Stop. Both the pen and the sword are mighty weapons. Stop. But a writer uses the pen, a warrior uses the sword. Stop. The pen is creative, comma, the sword is destructive. Stop. The pen brings happiness. Stop. The sword causes suffering. Stop. The pen brings peace and knowledge. Stop. It also brings wisdom to people. Stop. It gives equal benefits to all. Stop. Intellectuals use the pen, warriors use the sword. Stop. So the pen is mightier than the sword. Stop. Para. Child is a bundle of joys, a flower incarnate in person. Stop. The brightness and future welfare of the society is closely interwoven with the brightness of the child and its careful upbringing. Stop. Childhood is the most important period of life, comma, as it shapes adulthood. Stop. The very initiation of life making starts at childhood. Stop. Child is not only the future of the nation and its aspirations, but also and mainly its strength in reserve. Stop. The future of nation is best ensured if its children are healthy and active, educated and informed, disciplined and trained, as well as free from social prejudices, comma, having a scientific outlook. Stop. It is therefore a duty cast on the society of large to protest this crop of nation from the damaging effects of excessive exposure to vagaries of climate, as well as from social oppression and injustice. Stop. Child labor is a socio-economic phenomenon. Stop. It is generally concerned that illiteracy, comma, ignorance, comma, low wages, comma, unemployment, comma, poor standard of living, comma, stark poverty, comma, deep social prejudices and appalling backwardness of the country side are all severally and collectively, comma, the root causes of child labor. Stop. Therefore, so far as the projects for development of human resources are concerned, the program for welfare of children must be given top priority. Stop. It is only in this way that children can be trained to be good future citizen, comma, mentally alert and prosperous. Stop. We should aim at providing proper and equal opportunities for development to all children in the light of the above mentioned constitutional directives. Stop. It is only then that we can fulfill our aspirations and achieve our objectives of social justice and equality enshrined in our constitution. Stop. Para. Life is becoming more and more busy. Stop. People want to save time in every way. Stop. There is no way out for such other than the aeroplane. Stop. There is no obstacle in air travel as we find on roads. Stop. Air travel is most comfortable. Stop. Air travel has its own limitations. Stop. It is very costly. Only the rich can afford to travel by airplane. Stop. It is out of reach of common people. Stop. Besides, comma, the air travel is also dangerous. Stop. Whenever there is a trouble in the machinery or weather is not suitable, the plane may crash. Stop. Such accidents prove fatal to the air travelers. Stop. As only the rich and the important persons travel by air, the loss in air accidents is of precious lives. Stop. The tremendous and continuous progress made in recent years in speed, safety, passenger comfort and convenience is bound to make more and more people air minded. Stop. Air travel has brought with it new philosophies. Stop. दोस्तों, यदि डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन अवश्य दबा दें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक तुरंत पहुंच सके।